So let's take an example. Let's say that you own a company, let's say an IT company, and you're the only employee as of now. Now you want to expand. So for that, you need a venue, maybe some more staff, payroll, maybe an IT team to take care of all the IT needs of your employees, HR, financial needs, so accounting, all these things, and the list never ends. Like you'll have multiple things coming in. Now, how to cater to all these requirements? What would be your approach? Would you go to the market searching for individual resources for all these areas? I think it's tedious. So maybe you'll go to a firm saying that I need these services, and if not all, maybe majority of them they can provide. Maybe you go to a different firm for the requirements which are not catered by the first firm. So what would be your approach then? Which option would you choose? Let's take another example of a big fat Indian wedding. There are a lot of things, so you need to plan very carefully here. First one, venue, then the guests coming in, the coordination between when they are coming, their accommodation, the invitations being sent to, most important part, catering, maybe organization of different functions, gifts. These are just few things. Now, to cater to all these requirements, option one, go to the market, look out for different vendors, and you schedule it. And then on that day, it's a big headache. Or the second option is you go to a wedding planner and they do that for you. What is easier? What do you think? So we have seen two different examples. They are different, but there is a link. In both of these examples, we need some services. We have two options. The options are either we find these service providers individually, or we go to a firm that can cater to majority of our services requirements. So the choice is yours. Which one would you go for? I would personally go for a firm because then I do not have to worry too much about different services. Rather, I have to worry about one firm and I can enjoy the wedding or I can manage my company more effectively and efficiently. So now that we have seen two different examples, let's put this into perspective. SAP BTP, a business technology platform from SAP, is like the firm which we discussed in the previous examples, which can cater to majority of your services very efficiently. It is a platform as a service that gives you ready to go environments where you can create your applications, your business applications with different services and you can run it and scale it. It also gives you different tools where you can manage your users, you can do security management as well, you can do connectivity with your SAP state. It basically acts as an innovation layer so that you can innovate in the cloud, keeping your code clean, meaning your SAP state is not touched for any customization. We'll see more of SAP BTP in the coming slides, but hope I was able to give you an analogy where you can relate to SAP BTP with real world examples. So, what are the building blocks then? Like, what makes SAP BTP great? It's basically 90 plus odd services on SAP BTP, from user experience to artificial intelligence, automation, databases. All these make it great platform. And since you're using SAP BTP, it has native capability of connecting to SAP state, but it is not limited to be connected only to SAP. Rather, you can connect your third-party systems as well. It doesn't matter whether you are on SAP ECC or S4, it can still connect to your estate. So the building blocks are these services which are available on SAP BTP. Currently, as of now, there are 90 plus services. So the 90 odd services which I mentioned earlier are categorized into 5 BTP pillars based on their capabilities. And these are application development, automation, integration, data and analytics, and artificial intelligence.